Hello and welcome to the Laidback Mat. This is a getting started workshop. It's going to be in 12 parts. We're going to build on each part and just repeat what we did the next day. So it's very progressive, fairly easy, pretty easy really, depending on your body. And what I want you to do is, if you have a mirror nearby, smile, just smile through all the workshop. Look at yourself, and then if your face is like, maybe you're working a little too hard, dear, you should have an easy smile. That's how I can tell my students if they're struggling when they shouldn't. So smile is very important. Also take breaks. Takes breaks, because this can be very basic, but maybe for you it's not. It's challenging. It's very challenging, and that's okay. Just respect your body, work with your body. I give you suggestions, what you can do, different choices to pick and choose, and you can always choose to go in child pose. Just sit down, just skip the parts you don't like, or take your rest, because it's important to rest also. So there's no actual break built in. Just take it and just have fun with that. We're all learning or relearning. Maybe it's been a while since you've done some yoga and your body's a little stiff. So this is for you, very basic, very fun. So remember the difference between muscle fatigue and pain. If your muscles are just tired, just breathe into it. Maybe the next breath it's a little harder, then okay, it's time to stop, but you can stay there a little bit. Anything you're not sure, it's pulling, it's stop. Come out of it a little bit, maybe completely, maybe skip the darn thing. You know, you don't want to just like do it because the neighbor can. So remember, it's very important. Take a break, respect your body. Also, have a chair or a sturdy couch or something sturdy, something that you can pull yourself back up. At one point, we will go down. The first classes are standing, and then we are going to come down. So you'll need to come up. So if you have difficulties, and I will also help you with that, I'll give you different ways to come off the floor, but have a chair if nobody's around to help you. So we need props. You don't need any props, but you can use like a bathrobe, sash, or anything like that instead of a strap if you want to extend your feet to your hand, blocks, sturdy blocks. It's all good. So I always encourage props if it's something that works for you, but you can skip them. And remember to have fun. This is to wind down, de-stress. Maybe get a little bit more flexible, especially have a good time, and remember that smile, okay? So I'm looking forward to seeing you at the workshop. We have 12 days. Each class repeat themselves twice a day, one in the morning, one at night. So if you miss one, you can catch the other. You should have got the sign-up sheet in your mails, but feel free to sign up at any time. As long as I know ahead of time you're coming, it's okay. You can jump in right in the middle of the workshop too, since we always start back from the beginning. And at the end, we're going to have the video that supports everything we have learned for you to keep, to review, and do everything in one session. So, looking forward to seeing you on the mat. Namaste.